Live from Cavern Kennels Boykin Spaniel, we got Miss Midge and SHR Spud's puppies. Part of the puppy conditioning program. At 7 weeks old, I get them down here, going to introduce them to some water, try to get them to swim around a little bit. I've got some doves, going to see if we can get them introduced with feathers in their mouth. They're 7 weeks old, first time they've touched the ground, so let's see what we can do. We got Mr. Red, we got Miss White, we got Mr. Brown, Miss Yellow, Miss Pink. Yeah. Miss Black right here. Hey, puppy dog. What are you doing? Oh, look at it. First time being in the water. Mr. Brown's like, what are we doing here, Daddy? Like, I don't know. Yeah. What are you doing, Mr. Yellow, Mr. Red? Hey, there's Miss Pepper. She showed up. Scan over there. There's Mama. She loves this one. Midge. Hey, Midgey Widge. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? We got Miss Yellow here. What are you doing, Miss Yellow? Yeah. What do you think? Miss Pink. What do you think, Pinky? Oh, who is that? Hi, Stephanie. Mr. Red. What do you think, Mr. Red? Yeah, what do you think about it? Yeah, good job. Let's see here. Miss Pink. What do you think, Miss Pink? Yeah. Miss White, little Miss White. Yeah. We got Miss Black here. Oh, Miss Yellow, she's going to do it, Miss Black. Yeah. What do you think, Blackie? Yeah. Oh, good. Oh, high step in it. Good. Who is that? Mr. Red. Who is that? Miss Yellow. Whoa, look at Miss White. Miss White. What are you doing, Miss White? Yeah. Good job. I take that back. That is not Miss White. That is Miss Black. Miss Black was out there just swimming all on her own. Miss White again. Yeah. Miss Pink. Yeah. Good job. It's all about conditioning. Puppy conditioning program. Expose them to as much as they can while they're young. It makes for a fantastic puppy. They've had hands on ever since they were been born. They got their tails docked whenever they was 4 days old. Been dewormed every 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks. Who is that? They'll get microchipped. They're tri-registered AKC, UKC, BSF. Yeah. Good job, Mr. Red. Yeah. All right, let's pause it just for a second. There's Mama. Look at that little rascal. Good job. Who is that? Yeah. 7 weeks old, ladies and gentlemen. 7 weeks old. Look at that. Who is that? Who is that high stepping? Who is that? Yeah, that's old Mr. Red. See what they'll do around here, this little quail right here. Oh, we got Miss White right here. Yeah. What about that quail? What about that? Hey. What about that quail? Huh? That's a dove. I keep saying quail. It's a dove. Yeah. Mr. Black. Where's that? Mr. Black. Yeah. Oh, Miss White's over here swimming around. Yeah. Do this about 3 times during the 7 weeks. They go home next weekend. Yeah. This is right here. Hey. Yeah. All right. I'll be working more with the dove this upcoming week, but This is a good introduction for them, just a little bit, just to introduce slow and easy, doing dog training, slow and easy. They feel comfortable, they've had a great time, they're not stressed out. So we're going to take them back to the house and then bring them back here a few days later, live from Cavern Kennels Boykin Spaniel.